Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Gerald55 back at you guys again. Doing a really quick video right here for my man JW Universe, because like I said in your inbox, I don't know why, but YouTube doesn't let me know when I get comments, and I didn't know that what you sent me was an inbox letter. I'd rather, when I do videos, if you could, James, it would be cool if you could send me a comment. But if it's something like personal, like if it has something to do with a Blu-ray or something, if it's like a code, you know, we can do personal messages. But like if it's a video or something, I would like you to leave a comment so that way I know that it's on my channel and that you answered my video stuff. But anyway, this video is gonna go out to you again, James, because you were asking me about the sound bar for Vizio TV, and I think you have a 47-inch, I think you said. I'm not sure, but they do have that at Walmart, one that'll fit your TV, a 40-inch, but that one costs more. It'll probably cost you like $120 for that one. But if you want to get the one that I got, it is it's a 33-inch soundbar, and basically it'll still work for your TV too, because it's a Vizio, and it's for, you know, actually if you get the 32-inch, it's not bad because it fits 32 to 42-inch TVs. So if I were you, I'd get the 32-inch because it's cheaper and you're not really paying that much. And like I said, it's at Walmart, so if you can find it at your local Walmart, let me know. They should be selling it for at least $78 at the most. Yeah, $78. The reason why it was $70 when I got it is because I know someone that works there and they gave me a discount, so I ended up only paying like $70. So here it is right here. This is what it looks like. It's called a 32-inch premium soundbar, and it says Vizio right on it. And you got to make sure it's the 32-inch one. Otherwise, you know, if you want the 42-inch one, you can still get it, because I know you get money and stuff. But yeah, if you want the 42-inch one, you can get that one, because they sell them in different inches. But the thing is, if you get that one, I think that one comes with a subwoofer. I'm not sure, but this one only comes with the sound bar. But I'm gonna give you a quick little tour here. Actually, I'm gonna let you listen to it, see how it is. And it says that you can. It's cool because you can either set it below your TV or mount it on the wall, because it's got the wall things on it, so you can mount it on the wall. So there it is right there. There's the box, pretty big box. And here it is right here. Now, you see this light right here, this will be on all the time, like when you turn it on. But this second light right here, Blu-ray, because it makes your sound bars sound a lot better. But either way, you could have it on or off and it'll still sound good. But I'm going to let you listen to it and see if you want one of these, because this thing is pretty badass for small rooms. So I'm going to turn this light off. Actually, no, I'm going to leave it on. And just so you know, show you a quick little intro to 21 Jump Street, and here we go. I'm going to turn it up. Just so you know, guys, this ain't even loud yet. I haven't even turned it up all the way, so here we go. sounds pretty badass, don't it? That little sound bar does all that noise.
Hey, Melody.
Hey.
So that's it right there. That's the sound bar. That thing, I'm telling you, for that amount of money is pretty good, and it's good for small rooms, like I said. So you should pick one up at your local Walmart, and I'm telling you, you'll love it. Let me know what you think of this video. Comment, rate, and you already subscribed, so just comment and rate. Peace.